Hello guys, this is Ganesh Reddy and I welcome you to the Knowledge Treasure Hub. So in the previous classes we have seen properties and theorems on Boolean algebra as well as conversion from SOP to standard SOP and POS to standard POS. So in this class we'll see some example problems on Boolean algebra, how to reduce the complex Boolean algebraic equations into simpler. So what is the purpose of reducing this complex Boolean algebraic equation into simpler form means? So the complex equation requires number of logic gates. So the number of logic gates will increase the system complexity. So if we reduce the logic Boolean equation into simpler equation, so consequently the number of logic gates will also reduces. So the size of the system will also reduce. So that is the purpose of reducing this Boolean algebraic equation. So in this reduction, so again we are going to use the same properties and theorems what we discussed in the previous classes. So we'll see some examples. So the first one is AB plus ABC plus AB into D plus E. So we'll split into AB plus ABC plus ABD plus ABE. So in all the terms we have AB as common. So we'll take common AB. So now 1 plus C plus D plus E. So we know from the properties, so 1 plus A is equal to A. So from the properties of Boolean algebra, 1 plus A is equal to A. So we'll consider all these C plus D plus E so as A. Then all the term, this entire term will become 1. So that will be AB into 1. So that is equal to AB. So just we take common the AB. So then it will be 1 in form of 1 plus A. So we know the property 1 plus A is equal to A 1. So the answer will be AB. So this is the answer for the first one. The second one, A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar plus A bar B C. So we'll write again. So A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar plus A bar B C. So from this one, from these two terms we can common A bar C bar, A bar C bar. So let me to common. So A bar C bar, then it will become B bar plus B. So we'll take this one as A bar B C. So we know the property A plus A bar is equal to 1. Right? So here B plus B bar also equal to 1. So A bar C bar into 1 plus A bar B C. So A bar C bar plus A bar B C. So from these two terms we can common A bar. So A bar into C bar plus C B. So we know the property called A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. So this is absorption property, one of the important property. So A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. So here also, so here A will be C bar. So conversely we can write this one as A bar plus AB is equal to A bar plus B. So also we can write. So similarly, so here, so instead of A bar, see here C bar. So applying that formula, so we will get C bar plus B. So this is the answer for the second question. So this formula is very important. So A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. So that is important from formula, needs to be remembered. So this is the answer for the second question. Next we will see the third one. So A, B, C plus A, B bar C plus A, B, C bar. A, B, C plus A, B bar C plus A, B, C bar. So from these we can common A. So A is common term. So we will common A. So BC plus B bar C plus BC bar. So from these two terms C is common. So we will common C. So B plus B bar plus BC bar. So we know again the same property, A plus A bar is equal to 1. So here also it will be 1. So C into 1 plus B C bar. So again C plus C bar B. So again the same formula, A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. So we will get the answer as A into C plus B. So A plus A bar B, C plus C bar B is equal to A plus B, yeah, C plus B. The same formula. So this is A into C plus B will be the answer for the third question. A B C plus A B bar C plus A B C bar. So we will see the next problem. So A bar B C bar D bar plus B C D bar plus B C bar D bar plus B C bar D. So I will write once again. So A bar B C bar D bar plus B C D bar plus B C bar D bar plus B C bar D. So from all the terms we have B as common. So we will common B. So B into A bar C bar D bar plus C D bar plus C bar D bar plus C bar D plus C bar D. Right? So from these two terms we have C bar D bar as common. Right? So we will common C bar D bar from these two terms. So then it will be A bar plus 1. Similarly, C D bar plus C bar D. Right? So we know 1 plus A is equal to 1. So it will again becomes C bar D bar plus C D bar plus C bar D. So from these two terms we will common D bar, then it will be C bar into D bar as common, C bar plus C. So A plus A bar is equal to 1. So here it will be C bar D bar. So A plus A bar is equal to 1. So it will be 1. So we have D bar as a term, D bar into 1 plus C bar D. So again the same formula. So here A bar plus A B. So then it will be A bar plus B. Here B will be C bar. So B into D bar plus C bar will be the answer for this problem, fourth one. So A bar B C bar D bar plus B C D bar B C bar D bar plus B C bar D is equal to B into D bar plus C bar. So this is the answer for the fourth question. So next we will see the fifth one. AC plus C into A plus A bar B. So we'll split, we'll expand the term. So AC plus AC plus A bar BC. So A plus A is equal to A. So AC plus A bar BC. So repeated terms we can omit it since A plus A is equal to A. So AC plus AC is equal to AC. So from these two terms we have C as common. So we will common C. So A plus A bar B. So we know the formula A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. So C into A plus B will be the answer for this question. So the next one, A bar B C bar D plus A bar B C D plus A B D. So from these we have BD as common. BD as common in all the terms, in all three terms. So we'll common BD. So then here A bar C bar plus A bar C plus A. Right? So from these two A bar is common. So BD into A bar C. C bar plus C plus A. So we know A plus A bar is equal to 1. C plus C bar is also 1. So then it will be BD into A bar into 1 plus A. So A plus A bar again will be 1. So it will be 1. So BD is the answer for this question. Right? The next one is A plus A bar B plus A B bar. A plus A bar B plus A B bar. So from these, so we can apply formula A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. So A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B plus A B bar. So again A plus A bar B. So here A plus A bar B. So B plus B bar A. So it will be A plus B. So again A. So A plus A is equal to A. So A plus B will be the answer for this question. So just we apply A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. So A B bar. So here B plus B bar A. So it also looks like A plus A bar B. So A plus B. So B plus A. So A repeated terms. So it will be A plus B. So this is the answer for the question. So the last one, we will see the last one. AB whole bar plus A bar plus AB. So in this form, so we can reduce it generally. So let me give a shot. So it looks like A bar A. So here we assumed AB as A. So it will be A bar plus A. Then A plus A bar will be 1. So then it will be 1 plus A, that is equal to 1. Since A plus 1 is equal to 1. So alternatively we can also do it as, so let me to split this one by using De Morgan's theorem. Then it will be A bar plus B bar. We know De Morgan's theorem, AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, or A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So this is the De Morgan's theorem. So by using De Morgan's theorem, so we split it into A bar plus B bar. So again it will be A bar plus AB. So A bar, so one A bar can be cancelled. Then A bar plus B bar plus AB. So B bar plus A bar plus AB. So from this formula, A bar plus AB is equal to A bar plus B. So B bar plus A bar plus B. Right? So B plus B bar will be 1. We know A plus A bar is equal to 1. So similarly B plus B bar will be 1. So 1 plus A bar, so that is equal to 1. So that is a simple method. So this is the derivative method. So you can get. So one thing, so the Boolean algebraic equation can be reduced in any form, you can use any method, any properties. So but the answer will be the same. So choose the number of steps. So then it will be simple method. So we can see number of problems. So this is the end of today's session. So I think you got a clear idea on how to reduce the Boolean algebraic equation. So by using the same simple properties and simple theorems only, so we are reducing these equations. So thank you for watching. Thank you.